Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Science. In this experiment, we are going to show that the weight of the body immersed in the liquid is equal to weight of the liquid displaced by it. So that means when a body is immersed in a liquid, when a body sinks in a liquid, it will occupy some volume and it will occupy some water. In this case, the liquid is water. So the weight of the body and weight of the liquid displaced by the body, they are same. And we are going to show that. I am taking this body, this is a ball and this is a spring balance. As you can see, this is a spring balance. I am first going to measure the weight of this body using this spring balance. So you can see that the weight of the body is 200 gram. Wait, I will adjust. Now you can see that the weight of the body is 200 gram. Okay. So now I am going to immerse this body in water. Let us see how much water it displaces. There is a graduated measuring jar. In this you can see that the value of water or the level of water is 500 ml or 500 cc. Now when I will immerse the body in this liquid, let us see what is the increase in volume. It is completely immersed in the liquid and it occupies 700 ml. It is clearly seen. The level rises to 700 ml. So it has occupied how much volume? 700 minus 500. That means 200 volume of water. So now let us find out the weight of the 200 volume of water, the water displaced by the liquid. Now weight of the solid is equal to 200 gram and volume of the water displaced is equal to 200 centimeter cube. Now mass of the water displaced is equal to, formula of mass is volume into density. As you know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is equal to volume into density. Volume of the water which is displaced by the solid is 200 ml or 200 centimeter cube. And density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So you will get mass of the water displaced by the body is 200 gram, which is same as mass of the body, or weight of the water displaced is 200 gram, which is same as weight of the body. So this proves our today's experiment, or this verifies this today's experiment. I hope you have understood. Thank you and take care.